Hi, this is your host Yogesh Vats from channel Trade and Grow. There is a good news for the daily traders who really want to trade on my analysis. For them, I have started a series in which I will discuss about the daily price movement, and the name of the series is Daily Price Action Understanding with Yogesh Vats. What I will do in this series, I will discuss about my markings, the analysis which I posted one day back, and there I will show you the price action, how to trade on these marking, these levels, and what were the conditions which you had to follow in your analysis. So let's start with today's marking, whatever the analysis I gave today, today's trade, that is you can see on your screen. I posted this analysis on one day ago, and this is the Nifty marking for 21,322. Okay, these are the marking. Check the levels. Whatever the levels you are seeing on your screen, these levels I posted one day back, and you see the most important level, that is the level of dashed line and halt 2. These two levels works today in Nifty marking. Now I show the same level on the chart so that you can understand what happened on these marking with regard to the price action. Here is a chart of Nifty marking. You can see the same level, the halt which I showed you in the picture. The same halt is here and the same reading is here. Okay, now just see the price action of today's opening. The price opened exactly at the same level which I marked for today's price movement. You need to think, why did I mark the level here and why this level responded so perfectly? Okay, now see this this candle. This candle is a very big candle having the very big wick towards downside. Okay, now you can see the price tested this level here and it came down. What you had to do with this level, because those who are following me for last 1.5 years, they know the Vats 5-minute intraday techniques. For I have made the videos on this concept. If you are new, you can see the suggested video of my playlist. There you will find all videos regarding the Vats 5-minute intraday techniques. Just have a look on these, understand the techniques and apply here. So I'll talk about these techniques here. If you see, as you know, this is the last point of the resistance. It means it is the first, it is a temporary resistance, and this temporary resistance is tested by this level today, by this candle. It means this is the first testing, and you can see here this upside move after this candle became the second testing. It means, as per the Vats 5-minute intraday technique, if any level is tested 2 times like this tested here, you need to find your trade towards that direction. It means the direction here is downside because the move is tested by this candle and by this candle. So this is tested by second time. You need to follow the Vats 5-minute intraday techniques to find out your trades. Now see the information. This buying came, but after the testing, this is a big candle which gives you the proof that this level has been tested twice, and after testing twice, this candle was made bearish. Here is a point where you had to enter. This was the point where you had to enter towards downside. As you know, I have given the target of halt 2 for today's trading, and what you had to do, you enter here keeping the stop loss of this point. You need to keep your stop loss at this point, and this is your entry point, and this level is your exit point. Why this is your exit point? Let us discuss about this. If you see, this price action, I'm talking about this price action. Price came here after selling and a support has been made by the price. When you find that support is forming in any chart, it means you entered at this point. This is your time to book your profit. No need to see the information or any candlestick pattern here, because this support is itself a pattern. If something is taking support, it means the price is moving in the opposite direction. Price is expected to move in the opposite direction. So same happened here. The price moved here. So when you get your profits at this level and you find that this level is getting supported, it means you have to exit your position. You have to book your profit here. So this was your entry exit point. Okay, now let us discuss about the second entry of this day. Okay, how you have to take your position in the second entry. Why actually this information, you can use this this information from my analysis. I show you the analysis first so that you can understand why you had to take this position in this way. If you see this Nifty price action, which I gave the Nifty idea, how to trade this Nifty idea, and I just highlight the line here so that you can understand it properly. That is point number 2. Just see the point number 2. What I wrote in the point number 2: till dashed line is intact, you will not see any upside. It means you have a confidence of my trading words. When I am writing about any level and any statement I am writing on the public platform, it means it has to work in the same way. When you have that sort of confidence of my statement, then what you will do, you will see that this is the level. The sir has already marked the level of dashed line. It means this line is not going to work anymore. Talking about this line, this dashed line, when you got the information, it means you know that price is not going to move upside, and the action which you have had to see in the morning regarding this position, I have already explained. Now let us discuss about this this action also. You see, this is the level. Okay, now just find this is the temporary point which the point made as resistance point, and this is the first testing. Now this becomes the second testing, which I am talking about. I am talking about this testing. This is the second testing. This is the temporary resistance point, and this is the first testing of that temporary resistance, and this is second testing. Whenever you find a second testing or a third testing in any pattern, after that you need to find your trade towards that direction, because the testing confirms the direction and you have to take your trade in that direction. So how you will take your trade at this point of time, because you booked your profit at this level. Now again the setup towards downside is ready. Okay, that setup is, if you see this candle, I am talking about this candle. This is the candle which is showing the selling pressure from the 27 EMA. This 27 EMA is guarding your price, and it is not letting the price to go upside since morning. So this selling pressure candle gives the information that price is ready to go downside, and the testing has already been done. So this was your entry point. After this candle, when the price started moving towards downside, this is your entry point. And where is your exit point? Exit point is at this level. Check here. When price reached here and the halt number 2, this is your exit point. No need to wait for this movement. Why? Because I have given the target of halt 2 that I wrote in the trading idea also, and I made the halt 2 here. So This is your exit point. You got two entries today to exit from this price action. This way you had to take your trade in Nifty. Now let us discuss about the Bank Nifty, how you had to take your trades in the Bank Nifty. So for the Bank Nifty, let me show you the levels first so that you can understand. So let us move towards the levels. So you can see this is the level which I gave for Bank Nifty trading. Okay, and more important levels are, this level is very important and this level is very important. I'll show you same levels on the chart. You can check the Bank Nifty level. All levels are same, halt 4 and halt 3. I showed you these two halts. Now see the price action on these two halts. This is the very first candle of the day which took resistance of this level. Okay, this is showing the selling pressure, and the same thing happened. These two lines tested it. So after testing, this is your entry point. Why this is your entry point? Because the selling has already been initiated and these two candles tested that selling, and after testing that selling, again a bearish candle formed. So this point is your entry point towards downside. Okay, now when you enter here, where is your stop loss? You will put your stop loss at the high of this level. And where is your target? Your target is at 171 EMA. Okay, when the price reached here, since you entered at this point, the price reached here, it means either you book your profit. If you do not book your profit, then you have put your stop loss here. The price went upside but did not activate your stop loss. After that it came downside, and this is the right time to book your profit, because I have given the target of halt 3 to book your profit. This was your only one trade in Bank Nifty, but in Nifty I showed you two trades. And how you would get the confidence, that I show you in my trade idea which I posted yesterday. Just check the trade idea for the Bank Nifty. Just read it carefully. Till halt 4 is not taken out in 1 hour chart, no more buying. I have clearly mentioned in the second point that till halt 4 is not taken out on the 1 hour chart, you will not see upside move. There will not be any buying. It means it is a clear indication that price would move downsides. So same thing you saw on your chart. You can see here, this is the halt 4. I told that till halt 4 is not taken out or it is intact, you will not see upside. You have the confidence of these words towards downside positions. So you had to trade, you had to time your trade like I explained earlier. There is only one trade here, and that was your stop loss point. You had to keep your stop loss of this point, and this is your entry point, and this is your exit point. This was the only one trade. You had to go with this trade in morning. So this is how you have to use my posted analysis to make your trading easy. I hope that you would have enjoyed, you would have definitely got something new from today's price action, and you will implement these points in your trading, and whatever the mistakes you did today, you will never commit these mistakes in future, and you will enhance your analysis power with the help of these trade ideas and marking. Thank you for watching this video. I will meet you tomorrow with a new information on the price action. Till then, take care. Goodbye.